Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to use or add voice in WhatsApp status. So first thing that you have to do is you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So just go to the Play Store app and update it. After updating your WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app and come to this status tab as shown. Now tap or press on the pen or pencil icon shown at the bottom right corner. So you will see a microphone icon here. Just press and hold the microphone icon to record your voice status like this. Now you can do the recording. After your recording is complete, just release the microphone icon. You can listen to what you have recorded by tapping on the play button like this. And now you can record whatever you. Now you can post the recording on your status by pressing on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner like this. So the voice status is now live. And now you can record whatever you want to record. So this is how you can use or add a voice status in WhatsApp. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.